Hi, I just recently installed a Honeywell RTH7600 thermostat. It is blowing hot air on the cool setting. Please help.
In the configuration, did you set the OB terminal to energize in cooling? That would make it an O, or energize in heat, making it a B terminal.
The OB wire was separate in the old thermostat. In the old unit there was a wire in the O but not one in the B. I put what the wire that was the O and into what is now the OB.
B on the old one is more like the C on the new one. O, likely orange, should have gone to the OB terminal as you said. In the configuration, it should have defaulted to the normal Trane setup, but it could have been changed. Is it blowing hot air or just room temp? Is the outdoor unit running? If so, go feel the large insulated refrigerant line. Is it hot or cold?
It is blowing hot air. It is running and the insulated refrigerant line is hot.
Okay. And just to be sure, it's set to cool mode. We may have to look at the configurations in the thermostat. If you recall getting into that, we want to make sure 0190 is set to 0.
We never got asked for 0190. I set 0170 to 1. Is this correct or no? The old thermostat had emergency heat, if that helps.
Okay, then it's set for AC, not a heat pump. 0170 should be set for 7.
My wife changed it to 7 while I was out to check the insulated line. Could hear the compressor kick on and the line started to cool off. Cool air is blowing now. Thank you so much for the assistance.
Great. Just a simple configuration mistake. Glad you got cooling. Thanks for accepting my help. Let me know if I can be of further assistance. Smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.